Alright, let's see what I did today. Out of the open, I had Apple on watch, and my levels were 164 and 165.70 above that were respected. I watched it out of the open and took a short as it looked like it would break down. It did, but then it came back and I just closed it. I didn't trust it. It was a good call. We never made it to 167.50, which I had on as another support from the other day. But however, I did try to go long here as I saw support for a VWAP pop. Well, I took a partial, but took off the rest break even. Didn't work, didn't like. So I can't remember what I traded next, but I traded NVDA. I had from yesterday, I had 148.50 down for support, so I had placed an order in the market, a limit order, and it was filled for a partial, and I just let the rest play out with the next target. I had my next level at 150. Which you can see I missed because I was busy with Tesla later, and I don't know, my alarm was, it was triggered. I just missed it. However, I let it play out and I took a partial at 50 cents, and here I was faked out. As you can see, we got a green candle and on the high, and I got stopped out to the worst point. My final target was down here at 146, and I wanted to take off bar 147. I mean, you can see it's just tiny positions, but still, it's about the technicals. Then I traded Facebook real bad. I had 142.50 that was respected the past days, and when it looked like it would break down, I was faked out again. I added above 143 and 143.60 and took off most of it around break even, and when it popped back up, then I re-added as it looked like it would reject 144 before it even got there. Fake out another one, so I added more at 144 to add even more at I had my levels for Facebook at 144 and 145 above it. Well, we didn't get here. We spiked above 144 and then sold off, and I took profits along the way as we made lows, and took the rest off a little below break even because it looked. Then I was busy again. And did not take a re-entry, a backside trade. It was a beautiful backside trade here at 144, and I really should have taken it at least to start pile in case we go to 145. I did really good on Tesla today, to be honest. I had some levels down from the past days, and one significant was 344. And I had placed an order here, and as you can see, it was respected. And I took off half for $1 to stick with the rest. Took off another partial at VWAP, and as we broke VWAP, another one, and yeah, the final piece at 347.50, which I had as resistance. So I stuck with it. And when we got back down to 344, it was just a bad entry. I shouldn't have taken it. I was flat, and I had 342-ish down for an entry, and it got there, and I was really mad at myself that I took this trade, but I didn't want to take the loss, which was a big mistake. But however, I added, so I was long 50 shares, and I took off half break even. Here I took a partial, another half off, and hit the high. It was very good. I watched the tape, and then I didn't pile back in. I had another order down at 342. We never got back down there, and 343 was respected. But I took off rest of the trades like as we got higher. It was a decent trade. I made like $95 today on in Tesla. So that's decent. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today.